Hey dude, happy birthday. Love you very much.
I love you more.
You know, it's funny because I was thinking this morning, I haven't even seen your house. So you should walk around with your iPhone, take a video of
I love you more.
all the rooms so I can see it. I was also thinking that, you know, we haven't had a birthday together in so long. For our 50th, we should do a duel. You come out here, hang out with my peeps, you know, meet everybody, and I'll do the same. So there's something to look forward to. Anyway, love you. Happy birthday. Wish I could give you a hug and a kiss, but to be honest with you, the summer trip is still hanging with me, which I like very much. Kind of makes me feel like I don't miss you as much, and we're connected physically, you know. So I love you. Happy birthday. Do you monkeys want to say something to Uncle Randy?
Happy birthday. I love you more than Leo. No, I love you more than Leo loves you.
God dang it. You see what I have to put up with? Damn it. Love you, man.